Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix email marketing. First, navigate to your Wix dashboard and locate the Marketing and SEO section. From there, select Email Marketing to begin. This platform allows you to create professional email campaigns to engage your customers and promote your business. You can easily manage your subscriber lists and track campaign performance, all within your Wix site. It is a straightforward way to build stronger customer relationships and drive sales. Now, let's design your first email campaign. Wix offers dozens of pre-designed templates, making it simple to create a visually appealing message. Select a template that fits your brand, then customize it with your unique content. You can easily drag and drop elements like text boxes, images, and buttons. Remember to include a compelling call to action, such as Shop Now or Learn More, to encourage engagement and direct traffic to your website. Managing your contacts is crucial for effective email marketing. You can easily import existing contact lists or use Wix forms to gather new subscribers directly from your website. Segmenting your audience allows you to send highly targeted messages, increasing relevance and engagement. Once your email is ready, you have the option to send it immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. This flexibility ensures your message reaches the right people at the optimal moment. After sending your campaign, it is essential to analyze its performance. Wix provides detailed analytics, showing you important metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates. These insights help you understand how your audience interacts with your emails. For example, a high open rate but low click-through rate might suggest your content needs more compelling calls to action. Use this valuable data to optimize your future campaigns and achieve even better results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.